Today, we learn opposite actions with pictures and sentences. He is waking up. Wake up. Wake up. He is sleeping. Sleep. Sleep. He is running. Run. Run. He is walking. Walk. Walk. She is sitting. Sit. Sit. She is standing. Stand. Stand. She is eating. Eat. Eat. He is drinking. Drink. Drink. The pen is writing. Write. Write. She is reading a book. Read. Read. They are laughing. Laugh. Laugh. The baby is crying. Cry. Cry. She is pushing the box. Push. Push. He is pulling the rope. Pull. Pull. She is buying something. Buy. Buy. She is selling something. Sell. Sell. She comes in. Come. Come. He goes up. Go. Go. He wins the game. Win. Win. He loses the game. Lose. Lose. He builds the wall. Build. Build. He breaks the wall. Break. Break. He is speaking. Speak. Speak. She is listening to music. Listen. Listen. Great job! You've learned so many action words. Now, see how well you remember them. Which one is walking? Which one is the winner? Which one is buying? Great job! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the bell to watch more fun and educational videos every week.